Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is by the Japanese manufacturer, Freund, and we haven't seen anything like this. Apparently it's a type of dryer for granulation or similar material. And you see it starts with these two chambers you see up here, which are screened. Each chamber sits on top of this air vent, which is a positive flow of air that is controlled by refrigeration and a heating system. This has helped to stabilize and get an exact drying temperature as the containers rotate with the material inside and dries it. And you'll see it just has a simple cover over the top of it. I'm going to show you, see, there's a small micro switch here. We can just depress that and run them. And you'll see each chamber has its own speed. We're running about 10 RPM different. The entire machine is operating on 223 phase voltage. This chamber here controls, has a damper at each station to control the airflow. We've took one of the end covers off. Give you a look inside there. Hope you can hear me okay. That's the intake for the blower you hear down below. Refrigeration system back here, you can clearly see the coil in it. There are drains around the unit, so it is encased to keep from dripping, has central points, so if your material is extremely wet. This is their SPX model, so we're going to do a little research on that. We haven't seen anything like this before, and we're hoping that maybe some of you are familiar with this equipment, and give us a call and give us a quick education on it. We have lots of pharmaceutical and processing and packaging equipment as well in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our site at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.